Adding social icons to your website is a great way of connecting your brand to social networks. Social media just cannot be ignored anymore in this day and age. If you create content, there has to be a social strategy in place along with your website. By adding social icons, not only you allow your readers to follow your posts and content using their favorite platforms, but also increase engagement and visibility for your content. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to add social icons on your WordPress website using Elementor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So once you land on your WordPress dashboard, you can select the page that you want to add the social icons to. It could be your home page, it could be your About Us page, your service page, your contact page, wherever you want. You can even add your social icons to all the pages in your blog or in your WordPress website. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a random page that I like to add my social icons, and then you can just follow the exact procedure in your WordPress website and you'll be good to go. So let's just select a page from our left sidebar. Let's go to all pages. As you can see, I have some different pages. I have services. I have sample map directions. If you've not watched this SOP, go and watch it. I will link it in the description. I will also link it here. Just watch this SOP. It's really good. And then we have learn how to sell stuff, how to post videos on YouTube as unlisted. So let's just select services for now and see if we can add. So you can either go to edit and then select edit with Elementor, or you can just select edit with Elementor from right here. Okay, so when you click on edit with Elementor, it takes you right to the Elementor page. And of course, we have an SOP on how you can use Elementor Builder, how you can install Elementor Builder, and how you can use it. So if you've not watched that, I'm gonna list the playlist of Elementor in the description. After you watch this video, definitely go and check out that playlist as well. All right, so I have my services page right here. And as you can see, I've not done much, but it's the beginning, right? So what we can do is after you've landed on your page, you can see that, you can drag a widget here. So what you can do is you can just select a structure. And in order to do that, you can add a new section. So click on this red button right here and select the structure that you want. So since we are adding a social icon, I don't think there's any need to add 3 sections or 4 or 5 sections. So I'm just going to go ahead with one. However, if you want to create like a 3-section structure where one place you're adding your logo, one place you're adding the social icons, and the third section you're adding a contact form, then it's up to you. We can go ahead and do that as well. But let me just show you a simple way first. So select the structure, click on this add button that you see, the plus button right here. Click there, and you will find all these widgets that start to appear. So we have seen heading in the previous SOPs. We have seen image, text editor. We have seen videos, buttons. We've also seen maps. And now we come to icons from here. So this is your social icon. If you can't find it, you can write social icons from here. So I think this is better than going to icons, because in icons, you'll actually find a lot of things. So let me just delete this and I'll show you the difference basically. Okay, so when you go to icons from here and you add it, you can select whatever icon from the icon library, or you can upload an SVG. So that's up to you. It's more work than adding social icons. So I don't really go with this method, but you can go to the icon library. And as you can see, there are multiple icons that you can go with. And these are just icons that will appear in gray. So we can just search for Facebook and you'll find Facebook. You can search for YouTube and you'll find YouTube. So if you search for YouTube and you insert this from here, you can put the link to your YouTube channel in the link section in the left-hand side. Okay, you can select the alignment as well. And you can go to style and you can change the primary color. See, you can change the primary color from here. But you'll have to go to YouTube and get the exact color. I mean, it's just a hassle, I think. However, if you want to go ahead with your theme, the color scheme of your website, then you can, I mean, if it's like in the bluish color scheme, then you can just select one of the blue shades from here. It doesn't matter. I like to keep it as it is. So I'll just remove this particular thing. I'll remove this and I'll add another section quickly here, and I'll search for social icons. So add this. Okay, so once you have added the social icons widget, as you can see, your Facebook, your Twitter, and your YouTube icon, they all appear at the same time with the exact colors that you would want, and they're just like grouped together. So I mean, it's no worries, it's no hassle, it's just a quick job that gets done. And then you have your add item section in the left hand side, where you can click on add item and you can add your WordPress website link here as well. I mean, what's the harm, right? So what you can do is you can select Facebook from here. You can look at the icon. You can change the icon also if you want, of course. So what you can do is you can put your Facebook link over here, and you can select the colors, official color. You can keep it custom if you want to change it. Then you can go to Twitter. Over here, you can add the link to your Twitter account. In your YouTube, you can add the link to your YouTube channel. In your WordPress, you can add the link to your WordPress website. So I'll just quickly open up YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook and add the links over here. All right, so I have added the links to the social icon. What I can also do over here is I can also maybe add my Insta or whatever other links that I want to give it. So you can add an item from here and you can just click on delete. And as you can see, it just says undefined. So you can select plus icon, and this icon library that we saw earlier just starts to appear. So you can filter it by name. You can find Instagram, Slack, whatever you want. Insert. And as you can see, the official color would start to appear. Let's see. You can make it custom, make it official. All right, let's not change it right now. And you can add your Insta link over here as well. So pretty different social icons that you can add right here. Just gonna delete these two and go to style. Let's see if we can do something about the padding and the size. And you can go to icon hover, and we talked about hover in one of the previous SOPs as well. So this basically is an animation when you put your cursor on whatever icon you want. You can change the animation. For example, let's click on Bob and see what happens. As you can see, it just bobs up a little bit, right? So this is pretty cool. I think this works. And let's go to advanced. You can increase the margin a little bit. You can increase the padding a little bit. And once you're happy with what you've done, you can just click on publish or update. Or before that, you can click on preview changes. So this eye icon right here, click on that. And you'll be able to see the page that you just edited. And I scroll down, as you can see, if I click on YouTube, then the YouTube channel will start to appear, or the YouTube page will open up. Yep. All right. Pretty cool, right? So this is cool. Now I can hit on update or publish. And I can go to my WordPress dashboard from right here. I can select these three lines and I can go to exit to dashboard. And there you go. We have successfully added social icons on our WordPress website. Hello, hope you guys were able to add social icons to your WordPress website successfully by following this SOP. I'll be coming up with a lot of Elementor related videos and WordPress related videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any suggestions, any queries, or any other video that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. This is Jasmine Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.